Hey Scott, what are you doing?
No, just a little decapping from the weekend. What's up?
You know how we're both car guys?
Yeah.
What do we do to our cars?
Well, we modify.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh, I see what you're thinking. 8-ball.
Right on. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to mount this on our Hornady single stage press. The threads on that press is 5/8, 18, so we're going to drill it and tap it.
For our purposes, what we're going to do is we're going to tape around the outside of it so that we don't mar the ball, and we're going to chuck it in a lathe to find center, and then we're going to do our drilling and tapping in a lathe.
Now if you don't have a lathe, you can do the same thing. Tape around the outside edge, put it in your vise, and either drill it by hand or drill it using a drill press.
Okay, let's go do this.
Let's go to the shop.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to protect the outside of the ball with a couple of layers of electrical tape, just so we don't scratch it up or dig into the surface.
We're going to use a tailstock to find just a rough center. We're not looking for perfection here.
Alright, now we got the chuck in place. We got our 37/64 drill bit, and one of the important parts is you want to feed slow because it is just plastic or whatever the hell they make the frickin' pull balls out of. But you don't want to go too deep because then your tap could blow out the face side or
Defeat the purpose of what you're trying to do.
defeat the purpose. Drill it.
Clearing the chips isn't that necessary.
And that's deep enough.
Alright guys, now we're going to tap it. Since we're using a lathe, your good taps have a dimple in the back of it, so get it just started into the taper, run your center in to there. That's going to help you find true center, and just put a light pressure on as you're feeding it, and it'll just crawl right in. Once you get in about, I don't know, ½ inch or so, you can drop this center off and work it in. Make sure, back it off, clear the cut, and just continue until you hit bottom. Now that we hit bottom, we'll just back this all the way out. Let's thread it all the way down and blow it out and go mount it on the press. Remember, it is fine thread. Check it out, man.
Awesome.
Think we should put a little Loctite on there?
Yeah, I think so. I think some green, just to keep it from backing off.
Just apply 2 fingers of the oily balm.
Awesome.
That's bitchin'.
And there's a back nut, which means when it goes on our press, we can line our magic 8-ball up.
And then ask it some questions.
Magic 8-ball, should I buy a Glock 43? Oh, it's looking a little hazy right now. What the?
Magic 8-ball. Should I buy Magpul hardware for my 870? All signs point to yes. Alright. Dude, that mod came out awesome.
That thing looks awesome. It really does. And it's functional.
It is. Hey look, the future shows we're going to make more of these press mod videos.
Yeah, I'm thinking flat black and flames.
Hell yeah, and I'm thinking some lighting.
Yep.
Hey, we'll catch you guys later.